Hello my dear students, I hope you understand. Last video we started multiplication. I hope you understand multiplication by one digit number. Today we will discuss in this video multiplication by two digit number, means two digit multiplier and three digit multiplier. Okay, let's see. We will take one example, means you will understand what I said. Before writing this, you have to draw place value chart. Tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, likewise. Okay, example. Okay, first draw the slanting. Okay, first I will write. It will come. Okay, 5,000, 200 and 51 multiplied by 12. Now draw, yes, right, or else I will draw with this chalk. Right, see, what is 12? 12 is a two digit multiplier here, two digit number. So 12 means 10 plus 2. What is 12? 12 means 10 plus 2. So first we will multiply, as we multiply with one digit, means with 2 first. Okay, भूल जाओ कि ये 1 है. Right, multiply. 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10, 0 here, carry 1, here put for carry. 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10, 0, carry 1, again 2 2 जा 4 plus carry 1 5, again any carry, no, then 2 5 are 10, here any numbers are there, no, so write direct 10, again check, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 0, carry 1, 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5 and 2 5 are 10, no carry, so 10 10 here. Understand? Now with ones place multiplication over, now we will have to multiply with 1. This 1 is in tens place. 1 is in tens place. That's why before multiplying with the 1, we will have to put 1 0 here, because we are multiplying. Putting 0 here means we are multiplying by 10. Understand? What I said, 12 means what? 10 plus 2, 12. So with one digit we multiply. Now with tens we will have to multiply. So before multiplying we will have to put 1 0, because 10 having 1 0. ये 1 0 जाने के बाद क्या बचा है? 1. So multiply with 1 means we are multiplying with 10. Understand? 1 1 जा 1, 1 5 जा 5, 1 2 जा 2 and 1 5 जा 5. Now Add these two. 2 plus 0, 2. 1, 0 plus 1, 1. 5 plus 5, 10. 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 5, 6. 2, 1, 10, 0, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. And 6 plus 1, so 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the answer? 63. What is the product? 63,012. Or else, if you know the 12th table, same I will write ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Yes, my lines are going slanting. Yes, still okay, leave it. Same 5,251 multiplied by 12. If you know the 12th table, that's why I said learn tables, means your time will reduce here. Understand? See, if you know the 12th table, so directly you have to multiply by 12. So 12 ones are 12. Multiply with 1 place first, 12. 12 का 2 here, carry कितना बचे? 1. So carry 1. So 12 5s are 12 with 10s place, 1s place over. 12 ones are 12, 2, carry 1. 12 5s are 60. So 60 plus carry 1 is equal to 61. This 1 should be here. 6 will be carry. 6 remain. So 6 carry. Then 12 with 100 place digit. 12 2s are 24. Plus carry 6. 4 plus 6, 10, 0, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Means 24 plus 6, 30. So 30 ka 3 here, sorry 0 here, carry 3, carry forward. Then 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 3, 63. Any again digit is there? No. So 12 5s are 60 plus 3, 63. Put comma. Now check the answer whether right or wrong. 63,012. This is the product. And if you multiply by one digit, ones place, then tens place, then also the answer is, the product is 63,012. Same. But here see the time. If you learn the tables, then your time reduces. Right? So it is very important you should learn tables. This is with 2-digit number. Understand? Now let us see, we will see with 3-digit number. Okay, multiplication with 3-digit number. This is also same. One by one you will have to multiply, or else you can write the table. Right? See, I write one 634 multiplied by, or 1634 multiplied by 213. Draw the columns first. Lakh, 10 lakh place, right? Now here multiplier is 3 digit, ones, tens up to 100 place, right? So how to multiply with 3 digit number? Same is here, one more added. See, first भूल जाओ कि ये 2 1 ये 2 digit है. Focus on ones place digit is 3, so focus on 3 only. So पहले 3 से हम multiply करेंगे. 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 1, then 3 3s are 9. Don't say 3 3s are 6 because we are habitual. 3 3s are 3 plus 3 6. So sometimes in a hurry what we are doing? 3 3s are 6. No. Understand? So be careful. Maths need 100% concentration. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. Carry plus 1. 10. 10 ka the 0 here. Carry 1. 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1. Now with 100 place. 3 6s are, or you can say 6 3s are 18. Any carry? Yes, 1 carry. 18 plus 1 19. 19 9 here carry 1. Then with 1000 place. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 carry 4. So this is 1634 multiplied by 3, multiplication over. Now next multiplier, tens place digit. Which is the tens place digit? 1. What is the place value of 1? 10. So 10 1 0 is there, so we are putting 1 0 in advance. Before multiplying with tens place put 1 0 because 10 having 1 0. Understand? Now multiply. 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3, very easy. 1 6s are 6, 1 1s are 1, or put here addition sign, right? Now which place remain? 100 place. Which number is in 100 place? 2. Now multiply with 2. 2 is in 100 place. So what is the place value of 2? 200. So 100 having how many zeros? 2 0. So in advance put 2 zeros in advance. Right? Why we are putting 2 zeros? Because we are multiplying with 100 place and 100 having 2 0. Place value of 2 is 200. So 2 0 here, 2 remain. So multiply with 2. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 or 4 2s are 8. Any carry? No. 2 3s are 6. Any carry? No. 2 6s are or 6 2s are 12. 2 carry 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now here also put addition sign. This is very important. You should put addition signs here. Okay. Now add these 3 terms. 2 plus 0 plus 0 2. 0 plus 4 plus 0 4. Now 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 8 20. 0 carry 2. Then see here, 4 plus 2 6. 6 how many times? 6 6 6. 6 3s are 18, or else add these two. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 6 18. So 6 3s are 18. 8 carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. or else 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 and 3 ka 3. Put commas first after 3 digit, then 2 digit Indian place value. So what is the product? 3 lakh 48, because 3 is in lakhs place, 3 lakh 48,042. Understand by 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. I hope you will understand. Now next video we will solve exercise 3.1. Okay, till then, thank you.